Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Gorilla here. So in today's video is for creators, founders, developers and community builders who are honestly tired of traditional platforms. If you're done with ads everywhere, algorithm killing your reach, fake engagement and platforms that don't care about creators, then this video is for you. Today we are talking about Armor Studios and inside it something called Studio One. Let's be real for a second. Most social platforms today push ads instead of content. They track your data, control visibility with algorithms, and monetize you, not the value you bring. Even private groups on Discord or Telegram becomes noisy, spammy, and hard to manage once they grow. Creators need something more focused, private, and professional. That's exactly where Armor Studio comes in. Armor Studios is a subscription-based creator network. Instead of being free and selling your data, the platform works on membership access. That means no ads, no tracking, and no data selling. Everyone inside is there because they want to build, not just quote. It's designed for people who take their work seriously. Now let's talk about Studio One. Studio One is a private workspace inside Armor Studios. It allows you to collaborate with your team, share content securely, manage projects, and communicate without distractions. Think of it like a digital studio, not a social feed. It's built for productivity and collaborations, not attention farming. Here are some key features that stand out. First, private workspace. You control who joins, no random users, no bots. Second, a creator-first environment. No algorithm deciding who sees what, everything is intentional. Third, clean communication. No spam, no ads, no fake hype. Fourth, cross-platform access. Available on web and mobile so your team stays connected everywhere. And finally, community and collaboration tools perfect for founders, Web3 teams, and creators building long-term projects. This is especially interesting for Web3 communities, DAOs, and startup teams. Armor Studios is not for everyone, and that's the good thing. It's best for serious content creators, founders, and startups, developers and designers, Web3 and crypto projects, and private communities and agencies. If you want millions of random views, this is not TikTok. If you want quality people, quality conversations, and real work, this makes sense. Some people might ask, why pay? The answer is simple. When users pay, the platform serves users, not advertisers. Quality goes up, noise goes down. And communities stay healthy. This model creates long-term value, not short-term hype. Armor Studios, and especially Studio One, is built for next generation and creators and builders. If you're serious about collaborations, privacy, and ownership, this platform is worth exploring. Check the link in my description below, take a look for yourself, and decide if it fits your vision. And as always, do your own research. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.